Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, you will learn how to track time in and time out of employees and calculate the total hours worked by each employee. Let's calculate the total hours worked of each employee with the help of this table. So here we have a table with the employee's name, date, time in, time out. Suppose we want to find out the total hours worked by each employee. So for that, we need to type here is equal to type MOD, open parenthesis, click on timeout, minus time in, press comma, type 1, close parenthesis. Now type multiplication sign, type 24 and press enter. Now change the format cells to general. Click on format cells, click on general, click OK. So that's how we have found the total hours worked by the first employee. For the second employee, we need to follow the same process. We need to type here is equal to type MOD, open parenthesis, click on time out, minus time in, comma, type 1, close parenthesis, multiplication sign, type 24 and press enter. Change the format cells to general. Click OK. I will drag it down. So that's how I have found the total hours worked by each employee. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub for more videos.